So guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have an Asus laptop that we cannot boot it with the flash drive, and it happens to all of us that we cannot install it, but we don't know how and why it doesn't support this flash drive. I'm going to tell this to you guys, and this is the laptop that we have. Laptop that we are going to install the Windows on. This is it, the Asus laptop, and the model of that is this is the model of that, and M515D. This is all of the things that we know about it is in here up to now, and we are going to boot and set a flash drive on this laptop. Okay guys, this is the flash. You can see, and in this app you can select the flash memory, then change, for example, select the ISO file. I select this. You can boot it as GPT and MBR. I boot the first one, the 4 GB RAM, as an MBR, and let's test it. If you want to know and learn how to boot your flash memory with RezaSediq, subscribe to the channel and see the videos. We have to press F2. After you can see the Asus logo, you have to press F2, but in here you cannot see your flash memory. What should you do and what is happening in here? At first you have to disable the fast boot. By default it is enabled. Okay, press and disable it, then go on the secure boot and find the secure boot option, press enter, and by default it is enabled, so you have to disable it. Press escape to exit. Again I need to press escape. As you can see, we cannot see the flash memory, but why and how? I have another flash memory, this guy. I boot this guy with the GPT partition file. As you can see, the target system is UEFI, and I select the ISO file, then press start. I put this and this is ready. I plug in this flash memory and unplug the other one. I save the changes and press exit. Again I press F2. Okay. Oh, I have to shut it down and again do it because I'm not fast. You have to be too fast. Okay, but long click on the F2. Press it, long click. For example, right now, write this, but not this. Okay, when we go on the boot tab, as you can see the flash memory, it is because we boot it as a GPD, but this laptop is an MBR. It supports BIOS, not UEFI, but the OS that we are going to install on this laptop and the other things, we have to format it as the GPT. So by pressing enter, for example, we press enter and select the at the boot part option 1, we press enter and select on the QX my flash memory, and we save changes and exit. Let's see what happened. We can see the logo of the laptop, boot disk. It launched the NTFS loader to boot, as you can see. Right now we see the OS installation. That's this, by this thing and by this options and things that we do. You can start booting your flash memory on the with the RAW and connect it to this Asus laptop. And if you wanted to see how to install the Windows, subscribe to the channel, and I'll put all of the information in that. Don't forget to like and subscribe.